Welcome to today's Headstrong Knowledge Vault video from Team Wendy. I'm Brian Javorek, Product Category Manager, and we're going to be discussing how to replace the liner system in your EXFIL Ballistic helmet. There's a few reasons you may want to replace your liner system. One is to make sure you have the best protection against blunt impact at all times. Another is for hygienic reasons. If you're wearing the liner for years at a time, it's going to accumulate sweat, bacteria, and other buildup. Replacing regularly could help ensure that it's clean and safer to wear. We recommend replacement at least every year, but you may want to replace more frequently with heavy use. The first step to replacing pads in your EXFIL Ballistic helmet is to remove the existing pad system. These are held in place with Velcro, so they should be easy to remove by hand. The Velcro discs, called Velcoins, should be in place once the pad is removed. If one should come off during disassembly, simply press it back into place. If replacements are needed, a set of Velcoins is available from teamwendy.com. The next step is to install the new impact liner system. They go in just as they're laid out next to the helmet here. First, we'll use the front pad. We'll fold the side and center together. Start from the bottom edge of the helmet. Make sure the pad is centered and just inside the bottom brim of the helmet. We'll press down, work our way up towards the crown, and then work our way over to each side. I want to pull the retention system out of the way so that the straps don't get twisted during assembly. For the crown piece, I push the center in first, making sure the pad is right next to the front piece. I then work my way down to each side. I want to make sure to pull the chin strap or the headband strap out of the way so that the foam is directly against the helmet shell and the strap isn't caught underneath it. I'm going to fold the sides of the pad together and start at the crown and work my way down. Again, I'm going to fit the edge of the pads together so that they're just about touching, and then push, slowly working my way down to the bottom back edge of the helmet. I'll then work to each side, making sure the pads are seated against the helmet shell and that the headband strap is up out of the way. Once the impact liner is installed, it's time to move on to the comfort pads. The replacement set is likely to include a set of thick comfort pads, as indicated by the brown fabric on the back. It will have a set of thin comfort pads in the same shape, which are identical except for having black fabric on the back, and a set of extra small pads. We include all these pads so that they can be moved or replaced in order to fit the custom head shape of each one of our users. We'll start in the front. The shape of the front pad roughly matches the shape of the impact liner. I will always start in the middle, press down into place, and work towards the sides. The back of each of these pads has a Velcro section, so it'll attach directly to the impact liner. I always start with the 6 pads shown. When I install these pads towards the crown, the curve is facing the center of the helmet. We'll install the rear pad next. I fold, place the center, work my way out. You might want to try positioning this pad higher or lower in the helmet to see what's most comfortable for you. These hexagon shapes with the Team Wendy logo inside attached to the side. These pads are a little bit different. They have a bit more grip to them to help hold the helmet securely against your head.